Sewing is very important. We must try to revive this idea of sewing. The biggest benefit is, of course, money.
And the environment.
And of course, the environment, yeah? You don't throw things out. Now, as I grow older, I realize we are just a wasteful society. We're just a consuming, which is not good lah. Hi, my name is Mel. I'm not a tailor, but I'm a sewer. And I'm a regular at Make It at Tampines Regional Library. And this is my coach.
Hi, I'm Tay. I'm the maker coach in the makerspace. So we usually help the patron do their own DIY projects. I was here about 5 years ago as a patron like him. Then thereafter, I converted to the coach so that I can actually impart my skills. Yeah.
Okay, I started sewing a long time ago when I was a child. And it's quite a fun thing to do now that I'm retired, unemployed, and I got some crazy ideas to show you off.
The tools that we require for sewing are the sewing machine itself, as well as things that's in the sewing box. The last bit that we need is the fabric. To prepare for sewing, you need to set up the machine so that it is ready for sewing.
You just follow the diagram. It's all here. It's very easy.
There are straight stitch. There's also a zigzag, buttonholes for buttons, or the decorative stitch.
Okay, now, well, this is going to be a short soon. I'm going to cut off the sleeve. So then I have to cut the top off my bi-collar. So I'm going to cut off and make it shorter, or else it become a Bermuda.
The scrap materials that is unused can be upcycled and cut up and stitch them together and make things like pillowcase. It will be more environmentally friendly.
Every fabric can be reused, can be upused, upcycled, recycled, reused, whatever. The first thing I have to do is to join up the two ends. I'm going to start slow a little bit and see how it goes. So I'm going to sew up the sleeve.
I usually would advise before sewing to pin it so that the two fabric are aligned.
Once I used pins and the needle broke.
You rather sacrifice your finger.
When I make the legs, I got to cut this part here, a little bit here, and the back here.
That's the divider.
There's a divider. Yeah, when I first started making this shirt into shorts, I couldn't get into the shorts.
The stitch length to be 5 is for him to unpick when things goes wrong.
Hey, life is for fun lah, Tay. You're so serious, man.
Yeah.
Voila, we got the shorts, man. See? Roughly, okay? These are your two legs. There you are. So later on, I've got to clean it up and tidy it up. Yeah? How about it?
Good. Do you have the rubber band?
Yeah, I have it.
Oh, you have the rubber band.
And you won't believe this.
I don't know.
Okay, this is the rubber band. Where does it come from?
Come from... Cannot tell.
COVID mask. You upcycle COVID,
COVID
don't throw it
mask.
away. This one is very easy. You don't have to use any sewing. You just tie it up. Just tie a reef knot. You'll be fine. Ooh, it's too short, man. Too small, man. Maybe for my grandson. I can't go in. It's too small.
Can go on a diet.
So the pockets are still here. Yeah? You can show off a bit of pocket like this. You walk around like that. Yeah? You got a pair of shorts from a shirt.
If you're doing clothing like him, you need to take measurement. Then you need to have the proper design.
I agree with him. But at my age, don't care. I'm already retired. One leg in the grave already, one foot in the grave. He said, no problem. Just do anyhow. And I wish you guys will come into this Make It lab and enjoy the sewing the way I enjoy doing it. You see all the colorful clothes? This is my wife's blouse. You see? The sleeve is still here, right? She threw it away. It's so nice. You see? So this is the back part. So the front part is here. You see? Crazy, yeah? To do all these stupid things. Yeah, never mind. We are trying to save the environment. Yeah? Singapore is a very materialistic, consumeristic society. we have to stop somewhere along the line. We cannot stop anyway. We have to reduce. So reduce consumption. You save money, right? Yeah. Then recycle, you also save money. You come and ask me to sew for you, you save money. Tailor charge you $10. Sure. I cannot charge you. Free. So just come lah. As you know, I'm 72 years old, so I grew up in a kampong OB, and we were quite poor in the sense so we really have to recycle, use the clothes until it's really torn. So now we have come a long, long way. Everything you can buy. I know clothes are very cheap, but this is to preoccupy your time. You come here, learn a skill, and meet new friends. Start life all over again. Okay, if you like to learn more about sewing, you come here with all the resources that you have here, machines and all that.
Last but not least, of course, the books in the library.
Yeah.
You can actually find some books that's with regards to sewing. Yeah, you can learn a little bit more from the book itself.
Yeah, true. Yeah. And so don't be shy, just come.